Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Riot client not launching on your PC. Now this problem usually happens with Valorant, League of Legends or TFT when the client won't open or stays on a white screen or closes instantly. So you can follow these steps one by one. First of all, on your PC, simply click on this start button over here. Afterwards, click on this power button, then click on the option of restart. Basically, you need to first of all restart your PC or laptop. It sounds very simple, but many of the launcher problems are caused by the background processes that are stuck in the memory. Next, you need to just right click on the Riot Client icon and select the option of Run as Administrator. Riot games need permissions for updates and anti-cheat, and without admin rights, they sometimes don't open. If it still doesn't launch, you can end the background Riot processes. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key, or you can right click on the taskbar and then click on the option of Task Manager. So here, when this type of Task Manager pop-up opened in front of you, you just have to make sure that you are in the processes. Over here, you just have to look for Riot client in this particular list. You can also look for a Riot Vanguard and any of the game processes. So here, once you are able to find that, simply right click on that and click on the option of and task. Now you can also check for the Windows updates and the drivers. Sometimes the out of date systems can also block the anti-cheat services. So if you find any of the updates, make sure that you install the pending updates and again restart your computer. Next, you can also repair the Riot client files. For that, you can simply go to the Riot client folder on your PC. Then you can open the Riot client services.exe file as admin. If prompted to repair or upload, you just have to simply accept it. The corrupted files are a common reason it won't launch as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.